In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fibonacci extensions on ThinkorSwim. So Fibonacci extensions helps traders identify potential price targets beyond the current trend. So in ThinkorSwim, you can apply these extensions to find possible support and resistance levels. So now, in order to do that, just simply launch the ThinkorSwim application or a website, and then navigate to Charts tab. And then in here, select the stock or ETF or crypto you want to analyze, and then access the Fibonacci extension tool. So to access that, click on the drawing tools icon or the pencil icon in here. So click these drawings and then look for the Fibonacci extensions, and then scroll down, or you can also press the CTRL+7 as a shortcut on that. And then to plot a Fibonacci extensions, identify the most swing high and swing low. First click, select the swing low starting point, and then the second click, mark the swing high ending point, and then the third click, drag down to the next retracement level. So this will generate extensions levels like, for example, 127.2% or 161.8%, and then or a 261.8% that acts as a potential price targets. And you can also customize Fibonacci levels. So just simply right click on the Fibonacci extension lines and select the edit properties, and then adjust or add new levels based on your strategy. And then you can also change the color and thickness for better visibility. And that's it. So if you want to analyze and use in trading, if the price breaks above the 100% level, the next target could be 161.8% or a 261.8%. So if the price fails to break through, it might reverse or consolidate. And that's it. That's how to use Fibonacci extensions on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.